Do you know you can walk from Greenwich to Canary Wharf and the other way round on foot? Yes, you heard me well. Use the tunnel under the River Thames. Southern entrance can be found nearby the Greenwich Pier just behind the Cutty Sark ship. Northern entrance is located in the Island Gardens. Tunnel is open 24/7. CCTV is in operation for your safety. Lifts are available, but they may be under maintenance during your visit. For updated information, check the official website of the Greenwich Tunnel. Save this for later and enjoy your time in London.